Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we learned English sentences for daily use. For more videos, please subscribe my YouTube channel. So without wasting of time, let's begin. आज बहुत सर्दी है. It is very cold today. It is very cold today. अगस्त में बहुत ज़्यादा बारिश होती है. It rains heavily in August. It rains heavily in August. ताहिर बहुत पैसा कमाता है. ताहिर earns a lot of money. ताहिर earns a lot of money. मेरे वालिद कपास का कारोबार करते हैं. My father deals in cotton. My father deals in cotton. हम पियानो बजा सकते हैं. We can play piano. We can play piano. ट्रेन आज लेट है. The train is late today. The train is late today. आप पैदल कॉलेज जाते हैं. You go to college on foot. You go to college on foot. मुझे चाय का शौक है. I am fond of tea. I am fond of tea. Fond means शौक. ये अच्छी आदत नहीं है. It's not good habit. It's not good habit. आपकी घड़ी में क्या वक्त है? What is time by your watch? What is time by your watch? 7 बजे हैं. It is 7 o'clock. It is 7 o'clock. शाम से बारिश हो रही है. It has been raining since evening. It has been raining since evening. उस पर चोरी का इल्ज़ाम था. He was accused of theft. He was accused of theft. हम दोबारा कब मिलेंगे? When shall we meet again? When shall we meet again? उसने सारा पैसा तिजारत में लगा दिया. He invested all the money in trade. He invested all the money in trade. Trade means तिजारत. हम उसके रवैये से उकता गए. We were worried of his behavior. We were worried of his behavior. इस कंपनी में कितने हिस्सेदार हैं? How many shareholders are there in this company? How many shareholders are there in this company? इस फिल्म में कौन-कौन से अदाकार हैं? Who are the actors in this movie? Who are the actors in this movie? इसके साथ ही हमारी आज की वीडियो खत्म हुई. वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो वीडियो को लाइक एंड कमेंट करें और अगर चैनल पर नए हैं तो चैनल को भी सब्सक्राइब कर दें.